Alright guys, I'm going to quickly show you how to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your infotainment system in your 2020 Jeep Wrangler. So this Jeep Wrangler has the 8.4-inch infotainment with the nav. All you have to do is go into settings, go all the way down to phone and Bluetooth, tap on paired phones and audio devices, and add a device. So now on your phone, on your iPhone, go to your settings, tap on Bluetooth, and you should see a device called Uconnect. Tap on Uconnect, and in a few moments you'll see your phone and your infotainment system will have a PIN number show up, and it should be the same number. Alright, so if you see that number right there, it should be the same one on your phone. So you tap pair on your phone and yes on your infotainment system. If you want to allow contacts to sync, press allow, press OK on the infotainment system, and OK. Now the voice recognition software or the voice recognition button on your Jeep will be Siri, and now you're connected via Bluetooth. And it's as simple as that.